Okay, QK20R dig test number 2. We're comparing hydraulic fluid temperatures and the underhood temperatures. Just like yesterday, completely stock mini excavator. Today though, I put the exhaust wrap or exhaust blanket on, hoping to keep the heat down. See if we can get up here. Again, 10-minute test, 5 minutes at idle. After that, 147 on the hydraulic fluid, 152 on the engine compartment, that's went down a little bit, probably about 10 degrees. Yesterday it went up to 173, and then I think today it was up to about 163. So I guess the exhaust heat blanket worked okay. It was somewhat effective. Came from Amazon and wrapped up all 4 sides. It's a 1-inch thick piece of material. Still hot. Anyways, so that did help lower the underhood temperatures slightly. This excavator doesn't have an oil cooler, doesn't have a hydraulic filter, doesn't have any fans. So that'll be our next upgrade. We'll go ahead and put an exhaust fan in, see if that makes any difference in the underhood temperatures. Thanks for watching.